Hello everybody. Got an Avenger. I have lots of Avengers. Says front left wheel sounds like it's gonna fall off. And that is leaning. That is leaning. I don't know if you could tell with the tires. Okay. I think we have a wheel bearing issue. Or maybe a ball joint. Let's find out. Oh, let's see if you can hear this. Oh yeah. That sounds gnarly. Now that I have the vehicle jacked up. Yeah, let's set the camera down. So it's not shaking so you can see the this tire's about to just completely come off. Time for her to do a wheel bearing. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray down some areas I'm going to be working in, so free up some space there. Probably going to take that off. We'll see here in a second, and definitely that guy. Before you tell me it doesn't work and it doesn't help, I don't really care. I feel better. I feel better. Alright, what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to take an 18mm and buzz off this caliper bracket and caliper all in one assembly. Hang it. Just because I really don't need to take those apart. I'll take these little hook and just get it up out of your way. There. Yep, get it up out of your way. And you can just tell how bad this wobble is. How bad it is, I'm kind of scared that the whole hub might come off with this rotor. Nope, it stayed. Well, okay, the axle that helps, but see if something's going on up there. We'll have to check that out and see where that's got such uneven wear. Always put those nuts back on. Don't want to lose them. We'll see if this has got enough power to rip off this 32mm. Nope. Oh, this will. And the axle's free, so that's really nice. Just give that a few shakes. There you go, that's free. Now with this like this, we'll have enough room to get to the bolts on the back here, which these are pretty bad shape. So we're gonna have to be extremely gentle with those. I'm gonna try to get them moving by hand, and then we'll go from there. These are 15 millimeters. That one's not gonna go. That one's not gonna go. Okay. Okay. So I got the top two. The bottom two are pretty gnarly. Okay. I'm just going to take this one completely out by hand. There you have that one. Oh. Okay, got it. With any luck, they should just pop right out. Now this is the non-ABS one, so if you have a one that has ABS, make sure you take that sensor out first, because those are kind of expensive, depending on which car they manufacture or how you buy them. So those are one of those things I wouldn't really go aftermarket, but anyways, that's your choice. But yeah, as far as something like this, if you hitting the back of this and stuff, yeah, you don't really want that. Break that sensor. And it's out. Okay, now that we got that all nice and clean, there we go. Look at that, nice and smooth now. Start feeding your bolts back through. I like to do the two opposite sides just so that it lines it up. I'll apologize, this video kind of sucks because this thing, GoPros are okay. I got the 8, that's usually what I film with automotive work, and it works great. This 10 unfortunately overheats like crazy, and it just overheated and deleted all my footage. So anyways, that's how you get it off. It's just the 415 millimeters on the back. Make sure you get the surface nice and cleaned up, get the interior of the knuckle nice and cleaned up, and then I put anti-seize on there just to make sure it's helpful for the next guy. And then I do the same thing with the spindle on the axle. And when you put this back on, don't tighten this down all the way, because you're going to want to use a torque wrench to torque down that to factory spec. And like I said, I apologize. I didn't know it overheated and deleted everything. So you get the baseline. Thanks for watching.